Okay, so here's part 2 from last week. We're going to move my slide a little bit. I realized you couldn't see about half of it. Okay, so first off, we talked about, so if you're talking with someone about the school subjects that you're taking, they may ask you, you're taking it right now, you finished it, you will in the future, or you're never going to take it. And this can mean anything, doesn't have to just mean school subjects. But, so right now, and I believe we've learned this before, but right now it also, you could also translate it as currently or presently, something like that. So, right now, finished. So, could say, you finished French, finished. You could say no, but I will in the future. Like, I will take it. So what I just asked you was, have you ever taken French? You say, no, I'm planning to, though, in the future. Or you can say, no, never. Start from right around your head and make like a kind of a hook and go straight. Never. It looks like a question mark to me. Never. It's not intended to be, though. Never. So we have right now, finished, and you can do that several times or just once. Finished, will, never. We have interesting or boring. And those are two that we've learned in the past. So you could say, do you like, history class? Like, I like it. It's interesting. Or, no, it's boring or whatever. Okay? So interesting or boring. You could say, do you like that movie? No, it's boring. Or, yes, it's interesting. Or that book. Do you like the book? No, boring. Okay? Like and don't like. We've learned those in the past. Also, easy. This is new. Is it easy? Or is it hard or difficult? Is it difficult? Is that a difficult class? Hard? Or so-so. So if I say, do you like the class? Or I could ask you, is it an easy class? Say, so-so. Or no, it's hard. Okay. So now let's move on to the actual subjects. So math, make M's, and crunch them together. I guess like crunching numbers. Math. I'm going to go ahead and add this in here just because I don't know that I've told y'all this before. This is the sign for number. Number. What is this one? Number. Math. Okay. So, to do Algebra 1, Algebra 2, and Calculus and Trig, we're just going to change the letter. So, Algebra with A's, you can do Algebra 1 or Algebra 2. Calculus with C's or Trig with T's. Now, business math or business, this means business. So, you could sign, well, which math are you doing right now? You say business math or just business, and then you'd understand, oh, that's business math because I asked what math. But business, but with a B, math. Okay, next we have English, which we learned before. English. Writing. Use your pen and write across your hand. Writing. Poetry. Remember, this is the sign for music or song. Make a P for poetry or poem. And then reading. Remember, this was study. Reading. Our two eyes are going down the page, reading what's on the page. Reading. Okay, for science, imagine that you have like a chemist or is pouring chemicals into some sort of a vet. So your thumbs down like this. Science. Biology with B's. Chemistry with C's. I told y'all not to worry about physics because that one's too controversial. There's too many different ways to sign it, so we're just not going to do it. Astronomy. This means star or stars, but we're going to sign astronomy like this. And then health. And this also means healthy. Are you healthy? You sick? Like, are you sick? No, I'm healthy. Healthy. Okay, so for the social sciences, this is how we do socialize or mingle, or each other. That was one of our assignments, I think, on one of our homeworks for each other. Also means social or society. So that's really how we do social studies or social sciences as well. So y'all did ask me, I meant to add this onto the slide. As a matter of fact, I guess I can do it right now. Let's go. It's here. Oops, sorry. Didn't really want to mess with all of this. Let me put it. I'll put it here. Oh, it doesn't go here. Psychology, and I'm gonna put socio. There. Come back. And the same little thing. Okay, so I'll show you those in a second. Okay, so we have social sciences, American history. You don't have to do the person ethics for American history. Just do America history or history America. That'd be fine. History, you make an H and you shake it. It's not hard of hearing. Remember, you're kind of like almost like chopping. Hard of hearing. History is goes in like a little circle. History. So we have British history or American history. There is not a sign for civics. I'm not sure why I put this on here, but you would just finger spell it. So civics. Government. Make a little circle in the air and then come and hit your temple. Government. Politics is the same way. So we have government, politics, it's with a P. So political science. Military science, or just military. Some people assign Army, Navy, Marines, and then do Air Force with an airplane for the different branches of government. But in general, military, you're holding a gun maybe or something. Military. So military science. Okay, so psychology and sociology. Remember, this is the symbol, the phi, the Greek phi that psychologists use for something. I'm not sure what. Psychology, sociology. Some people use it this way, put an S here, and then other people just do sociology like this, like we did at the beginning. So sociology, I've actually seen this one more at LSU anyway than I did up north. But sociology, psychology, or you can do sociology this way. Okay, typing. That's obvious. So for a foreign language, this means foreign. If you use a Y or your whole hand, that just means country. Like which country, but with an F, it means foreign. So make an F and go on a circle on the other elbow. Foreign language. And remember, we learned American Sign Language. We do ASL. Are you taking ASL? Yes, you like it. You don't like it, whatever. ASL. French, Spanish, and Latin. You'll learn those on the other slide. Art, you're going to use like a little skinny paintbrush and draw something. This also means drawing. Some people use an A for art, but you're basically just drawing something on your canvas here on your hand. Art, drama. If you use T's, it means theater. Drama. Cooking class or cooking. Your cooking class. Music. Piano. Choir or singing. Same thing as music. That would be a class you could take. Or you can fingerspell choir. Then dance. So dance class. We have gym. Exercising. The X's that you're using here is kind of part of the exercise, kind of a play on words. So gym or PE, or you can sign PE, gym. Then remember we learned driver. So driver's ed, kind of a long sign. Driver's ed. Remember education that we learned a couple weeks ago? Education. Driver's ed. Speech. This is the kind of speech that means like a lecture, which is what speech class is. Speech. This is speech like you're speaking. So if a person has to go to speech class to learn to speak more clearly, that would be this kind of speech. Speech. if you're taking a speech class to become a better speaker, and you're giving public speaking types of things, it's this. If you use an F, that means preach. So we have speak or lecture or preach. Bible class, this is a sign for Jesus. We're showing the nails in his hands, so Jesus. But Bible, it would be Jesus book. Bible. And the photography, like you could do like a camera like this, photography, or this is the sign for photograph or picture. So either one of those would work. Okay? And I think that's all that happens. They learn holidays. Okay, so let me see. That's 10 minutes. Oh, okay. All right.